Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited for today's video because we are headed back to Disney World. So this is another pack and prep with me to head back to the parks. It's honestly only been like 2 weeks since I was there last. But last time I was there with my mom. This time my husband Jordan and I are driving up for the weekend. I'm so excited. So it is currently 5:40. Okay, I already filmed this once and my microphone wasn't on. So we're back. But my husband gets home in 20 minutes and I need to be packed and ready to go because we're leaving at 6 o'clock. We should get there about 9 o'clock tonight. But I'm so excited. So kind of our game plan is that we are going to go to Magic Kingdom tomorrow. We may sneak into Magic Kingdom tonight. We have annual passes now, so we are Florida residents. So this is our first trip as annual pass holders, so I'm so excited. So I used my pass last time, so mine's already activated, but we have to go activate Jordan's. And we're like already going to go to Magic Kingdom to activate it, so might as well just go in the park and watch fireworks maybe, right? I don't know. We'll see. Jordan doesn't like fireworks because he's not a Disney adult. My mom and I accidentally turned into Disney adults my third year of optometry school, like going into my third year. We went by ourselves in between my second and third year, and we had so much fun. It was like a life-changing trip, and we have gone a lot of times since then, and we absolutely love it. So now my poor husband, who's not a Disney adult at all, and actually I don't think likes Disney at all because he hates fun, is now dragged on these adventures with me. Drug on these adventures with me. Anyways, so our kind of rundown for I think what the trip's going to do, because we're only going to be there 2 days, is we're going to do Magic Kingdom tomorrow because I am so excited. Okay, I am a Thunder Mountain girl to my core. I'm a Thunder Mountain girly. Original. That was my favorite ride when I was little. I love her. She just reopened, I think 2 weeks ago. So that is mainly the reason I want to go to Magic Kingdom, because I want to ride her so bad. So we're going to rope drop that. Then we have lightning lanes for the rest of the day. Then we got our annual passes. This was actually Jordan's request, not mine surprisingly, to do the water park add-on. So then I think we're going to go to one of the water parks. We'll see which one. Typhoon Lagoon just opened like this week, earlier in the week. So this is the first weekend of it being open because they close it during the winter. So I'm thinking that Typhoon Lagoon is going to be really busy, so we might end up at Blizzard Beach, but we're staying at Coronado Springs, so it should be, we're like the closest resort to, what's the other one called? Blizzard Beach? Yeah. So we might end up there. We'll see if we're going to like put the feelers out, because we've never been to Typhoon Lagoon before, so that would be kind of fun to see, but we'll see. And then we will probably go back to Magic Kingdom at night, maybe for the shows or something. Jordan is not a show guy, so we'll see how that goes. And then the second day, we're going to go to Animal Kingdom. Jordan's never been to Magic Kingdom or Animal Kingdom, so these will be new parks for him. And then I think we might hop to Epcot after that because it's Flower and Garden, which is my favorite festival. So it's going to be a quick trip, but I'm so excited. So this is kind of what I'm thinking for me. I usually bring 2 outfits a day at least because I get sweaty. I like a midday break and to change my clothes. So the first day, I think we're going to keep it pretty casual, because what's the objective is get on Thunder Mountain Railroad as many times as I can. So I think I'm just going to wear this little white tube top because it's supposed to be 90 degrees. Did I say that already? That's hot. And then these denim shorts I got from Abercrombie. I like them because they're a little bit longer. I don't know what inseam they are, but they're a little bit longer than like a little shorty short. So I feel like I'm really tall, so they keep it all in, you know? And then since it's Magic Kingdom and they gave my girl a bathroom, I think I'm going to do my tangled ears that I love. And then also for that day, I think I'm just going to bring this little tennis dress that's also from Abercrombie, but it's like the prettiest little pink gingham color. I love a tennis dress. As you'll see, I have one for tomorrow too, but they're just super easy to throw on. And then for the second day, I'm going to pack these ears. Okay, look how cute these are. Wow, it sounds really bright. But they are the resort ears, so they're the Caribbean Beach ears. My mom and I stayed at Caribbean Beach. They're gonna be less like that. Okay, my mom and I stayed at Caribbean Beach when we were just there, and it's our favorite resort because it's on the Skyliner. So we'll see how Coronado Springs is not on the Skyliner, because I think they're supposed to be fairly comparable. But I thought these were so cute, and I thought they'd be cute for Animal Kingdom because they're kind of tropical. Well, obviously they're from Caribbean Beach, duh. And then they'll go with Flower and Garden, so I thought they were so cute. And then I just have this like hot pink tennis dress from, I think it's from Amazon, to go with. It's not the same pink as flowers, but it's close enough. All pinks go together. Then, just for like an extra outfit, I'm gonna bring this like extra tank top. I've honestly never worn it. I got it off the clearance rack at Target for $5, but look how cute it is. It's got like little minis on it. So I can just throw that on with like either the shorts I have on or the shorts I'm packing. And then I'm gonna bring one more like cutie little outfit. So this shirt my mom made me with her Cricut. They're kind of sparkly. I don't know if you can tell, but super cute. And then I just have this little mini skirt from Target. Does it fit very well? No. Is it probably the smartest thing to wear? No, but it has shorts underneath. That's not a very good depiction, but it'll be fine. And then I'm also just gonna pack these ears because they'll go with, I just have on a gray shirt and like denim shorts today if we head into Magic Kingdom, so they'll go with a couple things if I need. So that's kind of all I'm thinking for like park stuff. I might throw in like an extra tank top on my way out the door, and then I always pack a sweatshirt even though it's supposed to be really hot, but I get cold in the car. I like a sweatshirt in the car and like just a sweatshirt in the hotel room. So I actually got this one when my mom and I were just there, but hold on, where's the sun? Can you see how sparkly that is? Maybe you cannot. I can't tell in the viewfinder, but she's so pretty. It's like a purple color, so I'll wear that in the car. And then I just need to pack like my swimsuits and stuff. But I'm gonna take, I love these. I don't even know if you can tell what this is, but it's basically just a sarong, because I don't know if you can get like on the buses without a shirt on, but you can tie that so it's like a dress. I feel like it's really easy, so I'm just gonna do that. And then I think I'm just gonna take one pair of like little athletic like sweat shorts just to wear in the hotel room, like getting ready and stuff. So I kind of think that's all I'm going to pack for clothes for me. Let me show you my shoes. Okay, for shoes, I'm taking my white Hokas. They actually look nasty. I was supposed to wash them. I totally forgot. But then I also got these sandals because I figured it was going to be so hot. So they're Tevas. They're like the walking sandals. So funny, Jordan and I moved from Washington State to Florida, and Washington State is like the granola, other than Colorado maybe. The Pacific Northwest is very like granola-y, hiking sandals are the vibe. So they sell these bad boys everywhere. So do you know how long it took us to find anything like these in Florida? Forever. I thought they would be everywhere. They were not. It was like 4 stores. But I've never worn them. I've been trying to break them in, but they're like just the platform. I thought they were a little more feminine looking than like the original Teva style because they're more of like a flip-flop, but they're cute. So I'll wear them. They should be really comfortable. And then I'm just going to take a pair of flip-flops for the pool and the water park. So, quick trip. Jordan, I think I'm just going to pack him like just basketball shorts and t-shirts. Very breezy so he doesn't get overheated. Okay, sorry the lighting is not the best in the bathroom, but I'm just going to pack my toiletries really fast. So I'm just going to do like all my skincare and stuff. Contacts, makeup remover. I always feel like I forget something when I kind of pack like this. So we'll see. I guess I'm just gonna, my curling iron is still hot, but I'll pack that. I'm gonna pack my heatless curlers too, because I just washed, blow dried, and curled my hair. So I'm hoping I can get like one more day out of it because it's so fresh, and then I'll just put heatless curlers on. I'm gonna take a pack of these little clear elastics, and then a couple, I had one on my wrist earlier, a couple of like just plain elastics just in case. And then I need to pack like our toothbrushes and stuff. I always like one claw clip, not because I ever use it, but just because I feel like to wash your face and like all that stuff is very handy. Let me see what else. I'm gonna pack this like day styling cream because in case I want to do like a slick back or something, I have it. Because if I didn't pack it, then I'd want it. So I'm gonna pack it just to be proactive. I think all that stuff is good. So I basically, Jordan doesn't really use any toiletries. Oh, the most important part. Hold on. Okay, the most fun thing I'm gonna pack, glitter. Glitter. I love to cover myself in glitter. And then I love this perfume. It's the Sol de Janeiro 40. Smells very good. Throw that in. I'm also going to take my own shampoo and conditioner because last time when we stayed, I'm assuming it's like all pretty much the same thing in the hotels, made my hair feel like straw, whatever, like the shampoo and conditioner that's just in the hotel room. So I'm going to bring my big ones and just shove them in the suitcase somehow. So I kind of think that's all for toiletries. I just need to put our toothbrushes in here. That was pretty easy. I always take a pair of extra contacts because you never know what's going to happen. And then I love this glow oil from Sol de Janeiro, so I'm going to stick that in there too because if I'm going to be sweaty, I might as well be sparkly too. But I've talked about this in another video before, like another pack with me, but I love this thing. So I got it off of Amazon, and it is just a humongous. Does this take up half your suitcase? Yeah, it really does. And then I'm also going to take just my curling iron. I don't know where my Heatless curlers are now that I said that. Oh, here we go. Heatless curlers with the one extra scrunchie. And then I'm gonna take my own shampoo and conditioner this time. And I'm also gonna bring my favorite hair mask because my hair was so bad last time, so. Alright, I've got everything in a suitcase, somehow. Also, sorry you can hear my dishwasher. So go me. For my bag, I'm just gonna take this Lululemon belt bag that actually looks kind of disgusting. It's like, I washed it one time with that pink dress and it got everywhere, so. But I have one, is it focusing? I have one pin on it, look how cute she is. That's me and my mom and me. Like how cute we are. So I'm just gonna take that. Would you like to see all that I have in it so far? This is all. All the important things. A hand sanitizer, one chomp. Don't know where that came from. So for food, that's what I'm gonna pack now. I just made all these chicken. This was like 3 pounds of chicken breasts, I think. So I'm gonna take those because we can make sandwiches with them. So we have this fancy backpack for that I'm gonna pack up. I also made today, this is banana bread with approximately 12 bananas. So I don't know how I'm gonna package this because my lid to my other container this size broke, so not sure. Then I have a couple bananas that we need to eat, and then I'm gonna take 4 avocados to put on sandwiches. I'm gonna stick this one in the fridge. And then I have some oranges. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna take all these oranges with us because I feel like they'll be easy to, oh my god, I almost took my finger off. They'll be easy to snack on in the room. And then I have some bread for sandwiches, which will be nice. And then the only other thing I was gonna do is cut up some pickles because that is the best part of a sandwich. I'm not even see where my pickles are. Oh, they're back. So we'll take some of these. So the sandwiches are gonna be really, really plain. There's gonna be pickles, chicken, and avocado, but that's honestly delicious to me. And I think I might throw in these 2 coconut waters since we're taking stuff anyways. And for food, kind of that's all I'm gonna take. I also think that's all I have. I don't know what to do about my banana bread though, because I thought that'd be easy for the morning. Oh, I forgot I have this too. I'm gonna take, this is some ground beef for Jordan in the mornings because that's what he likes to eat, and I like to eat it too, but I didn't make it up for myself, so he can have that. I'll have 40 pounds of banana bread I made, but I don't know what to do with. I honestly don't know. I gotta figure this out. I also am gonna take some paper plates to make sandwiches on, a fork, and then a knife to cut the avocados, so I'll just stick that in the cooler. So for my banana bread, I think I'm just gonna put it in these like Pyrex dishes. It's only 2 days, okay, and I act like I'm going for forever, but I did have like all these bananas that I needed to use, okay. We had to buy a new car because mine finally died, and so this is our first real trip with her. I'm so excited, but also buying a car is so expensive and I hated the whole process, so I guess I just have to die with this car now because it seriously sucked so bad. You can squish them. I'm just gonna do 2 of those, I guess, and then I'll just stick the rest of this in the fridge for when we get back because, like I said, this is like, I don't know what I was thinking. It filled my stand mixer. I'm gonna squish it. Don't judge me. Think we can double decor it? Yeah. Alright, so that was like well over half of my loaf. I did realize we're gonna have to run to Publix because I forgot to buy a sun pass for the new car, and we have to take the toll. We have to take the what is that called? I'm seriously losing it. I'm like down to the minute before Jordan gets home. He's like, make sure we're packed. We're almost packed though. We still have laundry in the washing machine, in the dryer still. Oh my gosh, I cannot get this to close. But I'm so excited, and this doesn't even feel real, but like we're really going right now. I think that Jordan's gonna be hungry, so I'm not gonna pack the chicken until a little bit later, because I think he'll want some. Let's see if this even fits. I need to cut up my pickles, hold on. Okay, we're all packed. I swear it doesn't matter what I do or where I go, this bag never closes, it's always full. But we're ready, cooler bag on, food packed. Are you so excited?
Can't wait.
We're so excited. So now we have, it looks like the traffic's gonna be like 3.5 hours, so hopefully we make it there. Magic Kingdom doesn't close till 11, so I feel like we have a lot of time to get his annual pass activated because it's business in the morning. We got to get on Thunder Mountain. So I'm so excited. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one in the parks.